the Tulsa Botanic Garden, and joining me is Lori Hudson. And Lori, you guys have got so much going on this summer. We wanted to let our viewers know a little bit about it. You're in the process of transitioning, it looks like.
Yeah, we're definitely in the process of transitioning. Tulsa Botanic blooms, you know, thousands of tulips and other bulbs are out now, and we're in the middle of putting out our summer annuals. So we're really encouraging everybody to come back out. It's different. It's going to be a lot of color, a lot of foliage this summer, and you know, we're excited about it. We're using bromeliads.
You're doing a tropical theme, really.
A big tropical theme. And of course, a lot of summer annuals are tropicals, but we just have this incredible staff, and they've got, you know, we've got over 300 bromeliads, all these different varieties. We've got a lot of brilliant, like, things that are, some people would recognize as a house plant, you know, like crotons and things like that, that have just beautiful, bright, vibrant foliage that, you know, you don't have to worry about if it's blooming or not. It's just going to be sitting there and just giving us a lot of color. And of course, the rest of the garden will be coming alive. It's already coming alive, but that'll be happening too.
Yeah, so, I mean, just look behind us. You can see a lot of the perennials are coming back out and everything. And so, and the children's garden is alive right now. I mean, it's so active. I mean, you have a lot going on here. And it's all throughout the summertime.
Yeah. So we're doing some new things. We're bringing back our story time. So, you know, throughout the summer on Friday mornings, we're gonna have story times for kids, you know, that are all nature, different themes each week. We're doing some wellness mornings for kids and families, which is kind of fun. Get them out in the garden early in the morning and doing some yoga and stuff like that. And then we're just doing all kinds of, you know, we have our Thursday nights that we've been doing for a little while. And so we're doing music nights. We're continuing with that. In July, we're gonna have an evening where we specifically can have a tropical theme and really play on our summer display. And so we're gonna have, you know, keeping with those bromeliads, we're gonna have pineapple flavored drinks and, you know, hopefully some, you know, steel drum band music or something like that. And then actually do a walk in the garden with the curator talking about all of the plants and foliage. So educational and fun too.
And speaking of, in addition to the plants, I also noticed some beautiful sculptures that when we were walking through.
Yeah, that's a new thing for us that we haven't done before. It's a sculpture exhibit by an artist out of Vermont, actually. He's nationally known. He's got some international sculptures too, but it's all stone. And so it fits in really well with the garden. What I loved when he was talking about it was, he's like, this stuff was here before we were, it'll be here after we are. Kids can touch it, kids can play on it. It's, you know, it's hardy stuff. You don't have to, it's not like you have to go in.
It's not delicate art.
Exactly. So, and it really fits our space and our scale nicely, and that's here through the end of August.
Okay, so we're going with the tropical plant theme for your annuals and stuff. What, with the plants comes soil and dirt. What is more Oklahoma than our Oklahoma red dirt? What are y'all going to be doing with that?
Well, we're doing all kinds of stuff. We're doing a probably what gets people's attention the most is there's an International Mud Day. And we celebrate, yeah, there's no card yet, but in June, at the end of June, it's International Mud Day. And we just thought that we have the space and the ability to have some fun with mud and invite kids and families. I mean, you know, it's one of those things that people just kind of go, but you know, I did that as a kid, kids playing with mud pies and stuff like that. And it's so important for kids to still have that opportunity, because if they don't have that, then are they ever going to garden? Are they going to get out in nature? So we do an International Mud Day and build a big kind of mud pit. And last year we had everything from babies to parents in the mud, and we spray everybody off and tell them to bring extra clothes and just have some great pictures.
Well, what a fantastic time, whether you like plants or you want to come see the art or the mud.
Exactly.
So when can visitors come out and visit the garden?
So yeah, we're open, 6 days a week now, which is great. And what we're doing this year that we're going to try, something new for us, is extended hours on Thursdays. And so in June, July, and August, we're going to open early at 9 o'clock in the morning. Other days we open at 10. And then on Thursday nights, we'll stay open all the way till 9 o'clock. And, with those long days that we have that time of the year in the summer months, we're going to actually kind of have our music start a little bit later. We're going to have food trucks out here and stuff, but it's just an absolutely wonderful time to be out here in the garden when the sun's going down. It's we're obviously biased, but we think it's pretty magical.
Yeah, there's no better time to enjoy the garden in the nice evening dusk. Well, Lori, thank you for sharing all these exciting events that are coming this summer.
Yeah, thank you for coming out, and I hope y'all will come out again and see us soon.
We hope you enjoyed this video. It's part of our Oklahoma Gardening YouTube channel. You can also find even more videos on our OK Gardening Classics YouTube channel. And join us on social media for great gardening tips, photos, and discussion.